In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create basic shapes, rectangle, square in Capcut PC. If you're just getting started with Capcut on your computer and want clean, simple shapes for titles, overlays, or layouts, this walkthrough will guide you from a blank project to placing and styling basic squares and rectangles with confidence. First, open your browser and head to capcut.com. This brings you to Capcut's workspace in the PC interface where you can start a new project right away. Give the page a moment to load so all the panels and tools appear. A stable connection helps everything run smoothly. Next, click Create New to open a fresh project. This sets up your timeline and preview window so you can immediately begin designing. Think of this as your canvas setup phase. No assets are needed yet. Now, choose the canvas you want. Pick the aspect ratio that matches your final destination. 9:16 for vertical videos, 16:9 for standard landscape, or 1.1 for a square post. Getting this right at the start saves time later and ensures your shapes look properly proportioned in the final export. Open the text panel. Even though we're making shapes, the text area is useful for organizing your layout or adding labels alongside your shapes. It also helps you understand how layers stack as you build your design. Click Add body text. This places a text layer on your timeline and in the preview. You can leave it as a placeholder for now or use it to caption your shapes later. The key is that you've confirmed your layers are working and you can see where your elements will go. Switch to elements. This is where Capcut keeps a wide variety of graphics, including the basic shapes we want. You'll see categories and a search field at the top. In the search bar, type square. Capcut will show you simple, solid squares, outline squares, and related shape variations. These are perfect for backgrounds, buttons, frames, and clean graphic accents. Select the shape you want and add it to your canvas. Once it's in the preview, you can resize by dragging the corner handles, reposition by clicking and dragging, and rotate using the on-canvas rotation handle. To create a rectangle, simply stretch the square horizontally or vertically. On the right side properties panel, adjust fill color, outline color, and border thickness to match your brand or style. If you need multiple copies, duplicate the shape to keep consistent sizing. Align shapes visually using the built-in guides that appear as you move elements, and nudge with small drags for precise placement. And that's it. Clean basic squares and rectangles in Capcut PC, ready to use in any project.